This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Alpine UTE-73BT Bluetooth stereo. First, power up your vehicle and confirm the Alpine unit is on, ensuring it has full power. Make sure no other devices are actively connected to the stereo at this time, as this can interfere with the new connection. Then, you will press the source button on the unit itself until you see Bluetooth audio displayed on the screen. This step properly sets the stage for a smooth and successful pairing process. With your source set, it is time to activate the pairing mode on the stereo. Press and hold the band /enter button on the Alpine UTE-73BT unit for about 2 seconds. You should then see pairing or a similar message appear on the display screen. This confirms the unit is actively broadcasting its presence. Simultaneously, ensure your smartphone or other device has its Bluetooth enabled and is discoverable to new connections. This prepares both sides for the handshake. Now, pick up your smartphone or tablet and navigate to its Bluetooth settings. Perform a scan for available devices. The Alpine UTE-73BT should appear as UTE-73BT in your list. Tap on this entry to initiate the connection. Your device might ask for confirmation or show a pairing request. Simply accept it. Within a few moments, the connection should be established, and you will hear an audible confirmation tone. Once connected, immediately test the setup by playing some audio from your device. You should hear the sound coming through your car's speakers clearly and without interruption. If applicable, make a quick test call to ensure hands-free functionality works as intended. Should you encounter any issues, like no sound or an interrupted connection, simply turn off and on both your Alpine unit and your smartphone. Then, restart the entire pairing process from step 1. This approach efficiently resolves most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.